Good morning, everybody. Welcome and welcome back to another video. It is your girl Cindy, and I'm back with another video. And this morning is Saturday, and it's finally the weekend, and things are looking up. And it's like 6 in the morning. It's like 42 degrees. It's super cold out here in Maine in the Northeast. And yeah, so it's pretty cold. The sunrise is beautiful. If you can see, it's super beautiful out. Tell me in the comments, did you like the intro to my video? Does it need to be a little cut down a little bit, reworked, or do you like it like that? I think it's cute, but tell me if you like it or not. So go for my walk. I think I'm gonna go on the Old Faithful, just because the sun is super nice. It's beautiful. So it's chilly out this morning. Not as much traffic either, because it's Saturday and no one's bringing their kid to school today. Gonna go to North Howland, but I think I'll save that for tomorrow. Oh yeah, it's Saturday. I had to go to church today. Do I want to go today or tomorrow? It's like the same times, except on Saturday they don't have all the extra music and prayers and stuff. They still do the same mass, but phew, what is that smell? Oh my word, that stinks. It smells like sewer. Did I see? They did a pretty good job painting this house. It took them forever, though. Good job painting this house. This is a house from like the 1900s. It's been there since the 1900s. It's beautiful. I just don't admire this. Are starting to turn on this tree. See that? Starting to turn. Oh, there they go. It's a beautiful morning. Chilly, but beautiful. Saturday! It's Saturday. Okay, so things are looking up. I still am having a rough time with my YouTube. That's going to be hard for me until this strike is out, but I'll keep on pumping. Notice that my energy is a little bit better today. So I hope everyone's having a lovely day. Like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see what the day brings me today. My weight was okay. I mean, I didn't really eat a lot. What did I have for lunch? I made pancakes. Yo, I made pancakes for lunch. My husband, he loves pancakes. First pancake in the frying pan, and he's all like, "Can I have the first one?" When I was growing up, my mother always made pancakes like for the meal or whatever, because it filled you up, you know. And it was me, my sister, and my two cousins. We were always together, right? And my mom always burnt the first pancake, the first two pancakes. And we were all like, "Who wants the first pancake?" And we're like, "No, so-and-so wants it. No, they want it." No one wanted the first pancake. Of course, we really didn't have a lot of money for like syrup and stuff like that. So we used, my mother always used, have jelly on it. We'd have a little bit of honey on it and molasses. We did everything with molasses. So that's the funny story time for me. The sky is pretty though. Look how beautiful. Oh. A beautiful morning. Yeah. Sometimes I crack myself up. Sometimes you just have to dance. I want to dance. But yeah, I'm still on the river road. And things are looking good today for right now. We'll see how the day goes. What is that? What the hell is that? I ain't getting closer, I can tell you that. There's something chirping over there. Dude, it sounds like a chicken. That sounded like a chicken. Chickens have that weird walk, 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 walk sound. That's what it sounded like. That was weird. I don't know what it was, but somebody's chicken got out or something. Yeah, our chickens, yo. So we only have 2 chickens, and out our back door because it was really nice in the afternoon. It's like in the 70s, really nice in the afternoon. And we're like, where the hell are our chickens? Usually when we come out and they hear our voice, come running because they think they're going to get some treats and stuff, right? No, we didn't hear them at all. Nothing. And we're like, and I'm calling them chickens, nothing, right? We're looking all over the place and there's grass like clear to here. And I'm like, oh great, I'm gonna get a friggin' flea on me, right? So I'm looking. They were inside the pen, right? And there's like tall grass in there. And they were in there. It was our chickens in there. And I'm like, what the heck? I was like, them little buggers were playing hide and seek on us. They love doing that. They're like real quiet. They probably thought I was gonna go like bring them in early or something. I don't, what the heck is going on? But yeah, that was our adventure yesterday afternoon. The trees are starting to get color. See how they're starting to get, they're starting to change colors and stuff. Yep. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. So every time I upload a video, hopefully you'll get it. And right now I'm liking the way the sun is behind the trees here. Here's some leaves. Oh, that looks kind of cool. I'm still on the river road and I'm almost to the end of this road. And as you could tell, the leaves are starting to turn. Look at that sucker. It's a big old hole in it though. It's like, look at those apples. It's a Maine apples right there, boys. Yeah. It is, what time is it? It's 6:40 for 33 minutes and I walked 1.70 miles. Oh, this guy's got his old car out. These are starting to turn. They're turning pretty good actually. It's quite a few leaves here. Check that out. She's a beaut. I see him riding around town. I'm to the end of this road. I haven't decided if I'm gonna go down, keep going down or not. I'll probably just go back and then go somewhere else. Man, if we were kids, if I was young again, I would be in this field all day long. Actually, scratch that. We would be in those woods all day long. That's how we would be. We'd be in those woods all day long. I don't see. Looks like their garden's pretty well all done. I'm gonna head back now. If you like these kinds of videos and you wanna see more, like and subscribe to my channel. And there's no animals. They probably ran. They know when friggin' hunting season is or something. But yeah, I guess it's bow season. I tried to shoot a bow. It was horrible. There's a certain way that you have to do to, strike a bow and stuff. And I wasn't having it. You have a wonderful day. Bye. So I'm still on my walk I didn't walk enough hours. It's only been 3.34 miles. And I like to get at least 4.5. So I'm going to cross this bridge, get a little more steps in, and go home, eat a little something, and then get ready for church. Then after that, I gotta edit. I don't know, I might make... What is it with these dogs around here? They poo all over the place. Over here, up there. Dang. Oh my gosh, I'm constantly tripping on the littlest things I'm tripping on. But you put me on roller skates, and I'm like gliding all over the place. My husband says the same thing. For someone that roller skates so great, you are graceful. You sure are clumsy on the ground. I'm like, you aren't lying. That was my thing back in the day. Back in high school, roller skating was it. Man, every weekend, Saturday night, like I would go out Friday night and Saturday night, all night long. From, let's see, they'd open at 7 and closed at like 10. And that whole time I was roller skating all the way through. It was so much fun. We'd clown around, my cousins and all that. Man, it was so much fun. There was a roller rink in Bangor, and I think that closed down once COVID hit. I think everything closed down, which is a shame. That's such a drag, because roller skating was so fun. I don't know if you can hear it. There's birds chirping away. I think I'm just going to walk down here and then walk back. So if you like these kinds of videos, like and subscribe to my channel. And hope everyone has a lovely day. Has a great day. Stay focused. Stay happy. And I hope everyone has a great day.